Welcome to the middle of the Atlantic. I'm Lisa, this is Peter. We are the Happy Hoppies. We are currently on a 13-day transatlantic cruise all the way from Puerto Rico to Portugal. Currently we are on day 3 of 7 of our sea days. We are pretty much right in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean right now. And I wanted to take you around and show you what is a day in the life on a cruise ship when it's just a sea day and you have so many sea days. We take our freestyle, we kind of look through it the night before, see what we might want to do, and then we go from there. So come with us today as we explore.
Go, 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 high knees. Come on. Kicking.
It's a high intensity workout class. It was definitely high intensity. I feel like with the sweating the ship, it made some of like the squats and stuff even harder. While I was gone, Peter went up and was editing some photos of our world trip we took 7 years ago. You can check out some of those photos at happyhoppy.com. But while we were gone, our room was already clean. So that's so nice. I love on a cruise ship. No cleaning, no cooking, already done for you. And now we're gonna go head to the racetrack. Peter's up there right now reserving our spot. And then we'll do some of the water slides. Ready? This one? That was a fun experience to say that we did it, but if you want to go fast, you really have to pay that $30 to have the track to yourself. And something they fun that they have up here is as the cars are going, you can actually try to like shoot the cars. And when it's a single track, you actually can like give them points, and it helps them to go faster or something.
It gives them a boost.
It gives them a boost.
Like nitro, they can go faster.
Yeah.
So each light is a shot. It reloads, and then you're good to go again.
Nice. All right, next we're gonna go to the slides and do the rush, which is a race one. $5 for a game of golf if you wanted to do that. All right, grabbing that. How many stories is this? How long is it?
Deck 18, you're going down to deck 8.
Deck 8. So from 17 or 18,
This is 18.
to 8. 10 stories. Woohoo!
But for now, I'm going to...
I barely beat him. At the end, you really have to like scooch. And I thought it was gonna be completely like pitch black, but it's nice. They actually have little like skylights as you're going, so it really wasn't that dark.
And they had like fun music playing the whole way.
Yes, yeah, it was actually like it wasn't as scary as I thought.
Going up.
Yeah, this looks so scary.
Yeah. See ya.
All right, riding the elevator back up. Gonna go on the water slide this time.
That one was closed right now because it's too windy. So we'll try another time.
Yeah, the guy said if it's too windy, you could go woo off the ship, but I think maybe he was kidding, I hope. But yeah, we don't want to do that. So we'll try that another day. Honestly, we'll probably try that when we're in port, because obviously then at this point, it's just going to be wind, I think.
We'll find out.
Until we get to Cape Verde. And I absolutely love this unique bathing suit. It has shorts with pockets, so I can stick my phone in there. And then I love to, like, this can be my around the ship outfit, but it also can be a bathing suit. Get some coffee.
Coffee, half cap. Welcome to Thomas Kincaid's seminar.
Let's go.
Kincaid was so successful anyway, and it just goes to show how talented he was.
Thank you. I know, yeah. It's funny, one time I ordered 2 entrees here, and then one guy was like, oh, good thing it's buy one, get one. I was like, yeah, good thing. Good thing it's buy one, get one tonight. I guess had a really good lunch. They were so great with my dairy sensitivity here, almost like too much, to where they're like, we can't give you this, and I was like, please, I just want it, but that's okay. It was still really good. But yeah, we are sitting with some friends that we just had made, and then we were talking, and we found out that we're like 30 minutes away from each other in the same county.
Yes!
And we met on the Atlantic, so that's amazing.
I don't know who's happier that we met, them or us.
Yes. On a longer cruise, definitely make some friends, and so that was really, really fun. They might go dancing tonight. I don't know if I want to, but it's at 10 o'clock, and I'm really trying to go to bed like somewhat early so we can like stay on schedule, because we keep changing time zones as we're going. We're gonna have a second time zone change, and we'll have 5 total to go, I think. So it's like, whew.
I'm going to bed early because I'm gonna run my half marathon over the Atlantic tomorrow.
Yep, so Peter's gonna go right now on the 8th deck and edit some photos of our world trip. And I think I'm gonna stay in the room and do some reading. I might end up taking a nap. I'm really gonna try not to take a nap, but I might take a nap, or might watch a movie, or just kind of relax in the room for a little bit. So nice to have an ocean view and just be able to watch the waves. Little choppier water. Now I'm going to the spa to get a massage taster and a lesson about acupuncture. So like 5-minute massage was lovely. I'm gonna go check on Peter before the acupuncture. Still trying to remember my way around this ship. I will get it by the last day. I keep thinking the observation deck is on 8, but it's actually on 16, which I was just there. So gotta go back up to 16. Just kidding, it's deck 17 I need to go to for observation deck.
Going up.
I talked to a crew member in here and I was like, oh, I just came down and go up to 16 to observation. He's like,
17.
that's 17. I was joking with him that I'll get it by the last day, and he's like, you know what, there were some crew members I know that were on the cruise for like 6-7 months, and they still were not sure. All that work, and he wasn't even in the observation lounge, so he must have had to find somewhere else to be. So we'll go back down for the acupuncture lesson. And literally from the spa, you just exit, take the stairs up 1 level to the left, and you're at the observation lounge. So not the zigzag thing that I just did. This is the consultation room. I'm excited for this seminar. I've had acupuncture done before, but always curious to learn more. Loved my 30-minute seminar. That was super helpful. Basically, yeah, my parasympathetic is all whacked, and he's like, oh, what do you do? I'm like, well, I'm a foster mom, and yeah, life is always busy, and I need to get better at managing this stress. So I will not do the acupuncture here. It was $199 per session. It was a 50-minute session each time, and he recommended 3 to 5. I do have, there's actually a chiropractor at home that I can get a package deal for $50 a session. So I think I do want to start seeing them for my gut. Kind of told you that, but not really at lunch. But yeah, I'd recently found out 3 days before coming that I developed a dairy sensitivity. So that's made it fun for eating. Speaking of eating, it's time to grab a quick bite to eat before we head to our show tonight. Oops, I'm not going to Surfside, I'm going to Indulge. Yeah, Peter said he's gonna meet me at Indulge, so I gotta go down to floor number 8. Seriously, 8, 16, and 17. And those are the main floors we've been on, and 7. I'll do another video of the ship tour, so definitely subscribe if you're not already. There you are. Let's go eat.
Ready to indulge?
Yes, I'm ready to indulge. Obviously, I wasn't looking for you there.
Oh.
Let's go through all the different options. So many amazing choices. I love this. And this helps them reduce waste too, because they're made to order. Look at all of these goodies that are gonna come to our table. Holy cow. We got about half the food. Are you ready to indulge? This is the best guac. So good. Keeps on coming.
This chicken tikka masala and the garlic naan, so good.
Is the masala spicy?
Yeah, a little bit. Not that bad.
Oh my goodness. Got some lamb. You just had 2 desserts.
I'm done. Tapping out. At least it's still going.
These are my favorites. This was really, really yummy.
You have some kind of packaging you can put around it to make sure it doesn't break.
Oh, we like that mug, don't we? It's a fun mug. 2 flights from our room and right into the theater. Our location of our room is fantastic.
Get ready to enter a world where nothing is impossible. Please welcome the mastermind, Mr. Brent Webb.
How does he do it? All right, we got the freestyle daily to look at for tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's plan that. It's 8 o'clock. I don't know if we're gonna go and do anything else tonight. A lot of times we have been like going up in the evening and getting like dessert or like some decaf coffee, but you already had your decaf.
Yeah, I had my decaf with dinner.
Yeah.
Ate a ton, so I feel good.
And you're trying to get to bed early because
Running tomorrow.
running tomorrow. As I plan out tomorrow, I'm gonna actually end it here, the vlog. Thanks for watching a day in the life of us on our cruise ship. Definitely subscribe if you're not already. We'll have some more videos of our cruise and the ports that we're coming up to released soon. So subscribe and we'll see you later. Bye guys.